SGR stands for State of Good Repair, basically saying in a state where we can operate on it and use it in a safe way. So it's a program to maintain our alignment. These old panels, they're kind of sectionalized, so they'll build the track work, bring in the panels, and then they have this rubber expansion that goes and kind of fills that gap. And what we've been finding out is through our freeze-thaw cycles, through our environmental issues we have here in Utah, they start shrinking, they'll pop up, so then we have to come out here and actually cut them out, and now we have this big old gap between the rail and that panel. What we're doing with all of our grade crossing infrastructure is replacing them now with what we call an embedded TRAX slab. We'll demo this whole thing out, we'll cut the rail on both ends, rip out the rail, and then we'll rebuild it so it's one solid structure. We're replacing what's called an IJ. As you'll hear it hitting right here really hard, you can see it's bolted up. You got that really hard tack with the wheel set. So not only is it damaging the rail head, but it actually damages the wheel set. That gap in there should not be there, actually. It should be a solid piece of plastic called an insulated joint. Those will be replaced, and as you can see, they're what we call a bolted IJ. We actually will cut that out and we weld in what we call an IJ plug. The concrete truck showing up, so we'll go circle around, come in, finish out this slab here. That one's already done, cured, traffic's back on it, so this side is gonna look exactly the same. One thing with construction is it's never going to be 100% perfect. You're always going to have obstacles. It's about how you respond to those obstacles and those challenges in construction. We're really one UTA and one team, and we're really here to move Utah, to move people, to make sure that they have a safe and reliable agency and a system that they can depend on